Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. In this video, today I am going to explain the difference between two adverbs, hard and hardly. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept better. If you find my videos informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Hard, hardly. Both the words are likely, both are adverbs. The meaning of hard is, as adjective its meaning firm, alert, difficult or tricky, and also other meanings are there. Hard is used in the sense of negativity and also in the sense of positivity. But hardly is used in the sense of negativity only. Its meaning only just, almost not, scarcely, barely, empty. Let us see the use of hard as adverb. He works hard. Hard describes what? One verb. So, hard is here adverb. What kind of adverb? It is adverb of a manner. Why? Because it answers the question how. How does he work? He works hard. I feel something hard here. Okay, here hard describes verb feel. So, hard is adverb here and adverb of manner. It is not good to be hard to the disabled. Here hard describes verb to be and it is what? Adverb of manner. Its meaning is what? Unkind. It is not good to be unkind to the disabled. To be hard. Hard means here unkind. And it shows what? It is here hard is used in the sense of negativity. But in the first sentence, he works hard. Here hard is used in the sense of positivity. He looks hard at me. Here looks hard means what? Stares. He stares at me. Hard, what is? Here it shows what? Adverb of manner and hard describes the verb looks. Okay. Its meaning is what? He stares at me. Then use of hardly as adverb. Hardly only we can use we use hardly adverb only, not as adjective. She hardly knows me. Okay, what's the meaning of hardly here? And hardly is an adverb because it describes the verb knows. How often does she know me? Answer is what? Hardly. Okay, so hardly is adverb of frequency. She knows hardly me. She knows hardly. It is hardly here used after verb. Okay, so the sentence is wrong. Where you use? We use hardly before one verb. Adverb of frequency comes before the main verb. Understand? So, she hardly knows me is the correct sentence, but she knows hardly me is incorrect sentence. I can hardly wait to go to sleep. Here one verb group, that is I can't wait. So, after auxiliary verb we use hardly and it is adverb of frequency. Hardly means what? It is used in the sense of negativity only. I can hardly wait to go to sleep means I cannot wait to go to sleep at all. She hardly knows me. She doesn't know me at all. Okay. Then hard and hardly. What's the difference? Here I am going to explain. He hardly smiles. That means he doesn't smile at all. He works hard. He works hard. What is hard here? Here hardly means it is used in the sense of negativity, but he works hard. It shows what? A lot. He works a lot. He is a hard worker. Here hard is used as an adjective because it describes one noun. Okay, he works hard. Hard describes one verb. Hard describes one verb, works. So, hard here adverb, but hard describes noun here. So, hard is the adjective here. Both the sentences, he works hard and he is a hard worker. Meaning is the same. Meaning same, but hard is used in the different parts of speech. Here in the first sentence, hard is a adverb. In second sentence, hard is adjective. She is a beautiful dancer. Beautiful dancer. Beautiful describes noun dancer. So beautiful is what? Adjective. She dances beautifully. Beautifully adverb, because beautifully describes one verb, and beautifully is a form of beautiful. When you add ly, it becomes beautifully. Okay, but he works hard. Hard is adverb here because it describes one verb. He hardly works. Understand? Here hardly adverb describes one verb, but hardly is not one form of hard. It is hardly is a word is formed from its own. Okay, ly is not added here in hard. It is one unique word, hardly. Then here I am going to explain use of hard as adjective. Metal is hard. Here hard is used to describe one noun. So hard here adjective. Hard questions were put in the examination. Here hard describes one noun. So hard here adjective. He is a hard worker. Hard is used to describe one noun. Hard is adjective. It is very hard. Hard is used to describe one pronoun. So hard is hard here adjective. When a word used to describe one noun or pronoun, that word is one adjective. Okay, that's it for this one. I hope you liked my video. If you love my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. And don't forget to put a comment. It will inspire me to make more videos for you. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.